how to download and install Scratch on a web browser. scratch.mit.edu/download and click enter. And now you can choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, Chrome, or Android. I'm making use of Windows. I'll make use of the direct download link. Click, and now it starts to download, and I can see it's downloading here at the bottom. It's 116 megabyte, the size. Done downloading, and I can click over here and it will install. If you do not see your download file here at the bottom, you can also click on these three dots and go to downloads, and here you will see the file, the latest one is at the top. I click on the file to install. Please select whether you wish to make this software available to all users. I'm the only user on my computer, so only for me, and I click install. Completing Scratch setup. I want to run immediately, so therefore I can make this tick, or if you don't want the file to open immediately, you can just remove the tick and I click finish. And now the Scratch desktop is loading and I'm ready to use my Scratch. And this is the offline editor. To make use of Scratch online, if you don't want to download, you can just remove this download from the URL, click enter, and this is the online platform. Now you can join Scratch or you can sign in. If you don't have an account, you can join, create a username, a password, retype the password, and next. I already have an account, so I'll just log in and show you what it looks like. And then you can save your username and your password. I'm just going to click never. And this is what Scratch Online looks like. And this is projects of other students. You can browse through those, or you can create your own. And then it will look exactly the same as the desktop version.